Playing with words, mastering homographs in context. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our series on homophones and homonyms. Today, we're diving into a fascinating area of English vocabulary: homographs. These are words that have the same spelling but different meanings, and they can really add some spice to your English conversation. Ready? Let's go! To put it simply, homographs are words that are spelled the same but have different meanings. These meanings can be related, but they are often completely distinct. This can make English a bit tricky at times, but it also makes it incredibly rich and diverse. Some examples of homographs are bark, the sound a dog makes, and bark, the outer layer of a tree. Tear, to rip something, and tear, a droplet from your eye. Lead, to guide someone, and lead, a heavy, soft, malleable metal. Understanding the correct meaning of a homograph often depends on its context, or the words and sentences around it. This is where your knowledge of grammar and sentence structure comes into play. For instance, consider the word content. If I say, I am content with this meal, I am using content as an adjective meaning satisfied. However, if I say, the content of the book is interesting, content is a noun referring to what is inside something. In this case, a book. When you encounter a homograph, ask yourself these questions to determine its meaning. What part of speech is the word? Is it a noun, verb, adjective, or adverb? What are the surrounding words? Do they give clues to the word's meaning? What is the overall message or theme of the sentence or paragraph? By considering the context and asking these questions, you can usually figure out the intended meaning of a homograph. It's always best to practice new concepts to really solidify your understanding. Try reading texts, listening to podcasts, or watching English shows to find homographs in use. The more you expose yourself to different contexts, the better you'll get at deciphering the correct meaning of homographs. And there you have it. A quick guide to mastering the use of homographs in English. Remember, context is key when trying to understand these words. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be deciphering homographs with ease. We hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for joining us today, and happy learning!